only 5 different flavors right here in front of me. There is the original, the milk chocolate version. There is the strawberry cheesecake version. There is the creme brulee version, the tiramisu, as well as the cherry blossom flavor. Super excited to try this. I've always loved Kit Kats. It has always been one of my favorite chocolates. But the only problem is in India, you don't really get such fancy flavors. You just get like the original milk chocolate Kit Kat, and you have like 3-4 variants, which is like a brownie flavored or a choco pudding flavor, something like that. So let's get started with the taste test. So this is the exclusive Travelers collection. As you can see, it just comes with all of the Kit Kats together here, and all of them are arranged flavor wise. So there are 4 of the milk chocolates. I just wish there were other flavors instead of 4 milk chocolates. I would have liked if there were only 2 instead. And there's of course the creme brulee, the strawberry cheesecake, the tiramisu, the cherry brownie. I think I said cherry blossom. What was I even thinking? Not gonna lie, I'm very excited about strawberry cheesecake because I've tried this before and I really liked it. So I'm gonna start off and dig in right to the Kit Kat milk chocolate, just because I want to see how different it is from the Indian Kit Kat version. Pretty similar. It's like a Kit Kat chunky, if I could describe the taste. And it's kind of imported from India as well, and you get them in the local supermarkets even here in India, and this tastes exactly like that. So the next one I'm trying out is tiramisu. So it is obviously going to be coffee flavored or coffee tasting chocolate. I want the coffee flavor to be overpowering compared to the chocolate sweetness. I just want it to be very balanced. So let's see if it is like that. It's actually nice. I'm surprised. I'm genuinely surprised. I thought this was going to taste exactly like coffee, or at least it's going to be very strong. It'll have a very strong coffee flavor or taste, but this actually doesn't have, and it's actually a sweeter coffee version, if I could say. Don't know if you can see this, but it has like a white layer in between the wafers, the Kit Kat wafers, and that's what gives you the flavor. That's it. Okay, next one I'm gonna try out is the creme brulee. I really hope the crust of creme brulee, the way it is very crispy and hard, I hope I get that taste. I'm not sure. I might probably be expecting way too much, but let's see how it goes. It's actually really nice. It does have that crispy sort of a flavor to it. And oh my god, I love this. I actually think this is my favorite. I'm really bad at describing things, but I'll really try. So if you're someone who likes chocolates or wafers with like a crispy edge to it, like it just has like a crispy part, I think that's how it is. And it's not crispy as in crispy like a wafer. It's like crunchy. It has like a crunchy mix to it. That's how this is, and it's really good. Next I'm gonna try is cherry brownie. The packaging of this is really cute. I love the color. It's like purple and it has like cherries and like a brownie. It just looks so cute. Look at that. I didn't like this. This is not good. There's some sort of like a cherry jam here in this Kit Kat. I feel like the complete flavor and the taste of the Kit Kat's gone. So this is where the cherry is more overpowering compared to the tiramisu one. Personally do not like fruit flavored chocolates, so this I probably didn't like it because I'm not a big fan of fruits inside a chocolate. But I don't know, for some reason I thought I might like this because I've tasted the strawberry Kit Kat before and I really liked it. But cherry brownie, not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan. Okay, so the last flavor I'm gonna try is the strawberry cheesecake flavor. I know that this is amazing. I've already tried it before. I love it. It's amazing. Don't know if you can see, but there is a strawberry sort of a coating layer, and then there's like a white sort of a coating. I'm assuming that's the cheesecake coating, and the top layer is like the strawberry coating. I'm not sure, but this tastes really good. So it's really sweet. If you're not into like sugary Kit Kats and you like bitter Kit Kats or something, then probably you like dark chocolate more than this. But this one is really sweet, but really nice. Like sweet in a good way. So I remember back, I think last year or something, there was a limited edition strawberry Kit Kat flavor that was introduced in India. So this one is very similar to that, just because this is strawberry cheesecake too. But obviously this is a better version because you do get a little tingy, tiny bit of cheesecake flavor to it. Again, not very overpowering. It is very, very normal. And obviously if you're going to expect it to taste exactly like strawberry cheesecake, that's not going to happen. But it's pretty close to tasting like a strawberry cheesecake. Both of them I purchased are from cococa.in, and again I got the BOGO offer, which is buy one get one free, which is why I didn't feel that guilty while purchasing them. So I'll link this one as well as the other Kit Kat flavors that I personally wanted to try down in the description box for you to check out if you want to try them. I personally liked it a lot and I'm actually pretty glad that I bought them. So would I repurchase these flavors again? Probably not, because let's be honest, it's really expensive, and the only reason I purchased them is because there was the buy one get one free offer, and I personally really like strawberry cheesecake. So yes, I would probably buy strawberry cheesecake again if it was sold separately in a box, like just strawberry cheesecake, Kit Kats. I would probably buy that, but I don't think I would buy this if it was $8.95 and I'm just getting a single box. Maybe it's, again, if it's an offer or something and I want to gift it to someone, I'll probably buy it. Yeah, till then I don't think I mind eating Indian Kit Kats, because again, with like around 875, I think I get more than 80 Kit Kats in India, so I'll probably buy those instead of these because it's super expensive. So yeah, price is my only concern. If it wasn't this pricey, I would probably repurchase this a lot. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more taste test videos. Also, let me know what your favorite Kit Kat flavor is. If you've tried out the flavors, let me know if there's any new flavor that you really enjoyed and you think I would love it. Recommend it to me in the comments down below. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys loved this video and enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am trying to upload videos consistently, so it'll mean a lot to me if you can subscribe. And yeah, I appreciate your support. Lots of love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. To smell taste hope I'm okay. And I really like really like this. I really like this. I might regret eating so many Kit Kats in a day, but strawberry cheesecake, oh my god, I'll never regret eating strawberry cheesecake.